Every time this courtyard witnesses greater significant meetings or gatherings, and this is yet another significant evening, I would say, significant because of this purpose and the people who are all gathered here. நம்மளுடைய நோக்கம் சரியானதாக இருந்தால் அதற்கு என்டையர் யூனிவர்ஸ் கான்ஸ்பயர்ஸ் டு ஹெல்ப் அஸ் அச்சீவ் இட்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ பொதுவாக அடைமொழியாக சொல்லுவாங்க அமிட்ஸ்ட் யுவர் பிஸி ஸ்கெடியூல்ஸ்னு. உண்மையிலே பின்னாடி உட்காந்துருக்கிற எல்லாருமே அமிட்ஸ்ட் யுவர் பிஸி ஸ்கெடியூல்ஸ் தான் வந்திருக்கிறீங்க. வி நோ ஹவு மச் யூ ஆர் பீன் மோஸ்ட் வாண்டட் பீப்புள், பட் இந்த ஒரு பர்பஸ் ஹஸ் brought you all together. People from legal, law enforcement and medicine, because you are the key people who are dealing with these adversities of this topic of significance that we are discussing today, and it's really overwhelming to have your responses today here. So on behalf of the entire Queen Mira family, I extend a warm note of welcome. Thank you for gracing this occasion. So say no to drugs, say no to drugs, say no to drugs. This statement echoes everywhere, and it has become more controversial of late. But what's the magnitude of this problem? How many of us know that really? It takes a lot of death toll as an outcome of it, but how many of us know really what is the consequence of it? Why should we step in for it? Why as Queen Mira stepping into this initiative? It's all that what we are going to share it with you, and we are going to witness a huge song that going to bring in a transformation. Very significantly, if you see that yesterday was Swami Vivekananda's Memorial Day, and he was a person who had a strong belief in the youth, and I know that every one of you know that it was his calling, it was his motivation that has brought in the Indian national movement against the colonialism. அப்படிப்பட்ட ஒரு சுவாமி விவேகானந்தர் சொன்னது என்ன? 100 இளைஞர்களை தாருங்க, மிகப்பெரிய பாரதத்தை உருவாக்கி தருதுன்னு சொன்னாங்க. And what is the plight of today's generation? Before that, what's the population of India? It's 145 billion. Okay. Is there any guesses like what could be the population of the youth? It's approximately 590 crores. And idhula ethana percentage is being affected by this or caught into that or trapped by this social evil therima? Kidatta 13%, that is 8 crores is what we are talking about. India has beaten China in world population, right? So we are leading, and there is a biggest advantage for this is like we have got a median age of the people as 28, which is a huge workforce to develop the country into a greatest economic power. But if this youth population is got into this trap, what is that plight of it? What's the plight of the nation's growth and development? So as an educational institution, we have to think deeper into it, and as a reflection of the thought is the song that we have here. The outcome of that thought is the song that we are going to have here. By listening to this song or by viewing the consequences of it, even if there is going to be one transformation that's going to happen in our neighborhood, that's the success of the song. If every one of you are going to take this message across your friends and families and then stay committed to the vote that you're going to take today, that's the success of this song. So looking forward for a brighter society, a transformed society with all your support. Jai Hind, have a great evening everybody.